Alright, let's be honest. How often did you start a bullet journal and it took maybe 1-2 weeks? If you're good, it took maybe a month, and then you stopped using it. Yeah, I know that feeling. I've been there. And in this video, I have 5 tips for you so you can use your bullet journal more intentionally and more frequently. Hello, you guys. I'm so happy that you are here. So if you just a little bit like me, you might have had some trouble using your journals. They are so pretty, but after a certain time, they just lose their magic, they become work and not fun anymore, and then you just stop. And it's so annoying because you want to be productive and use your planner frequently, but it's just not happening. And that's what this video will be about. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So step number 1. The first thing you should ask yourself is, what are you using your bullet journal for? Is it just to keep memories and use it as a diary? Or maybe you just want it as a productivity tool. So what are you using it for, and is it really the right fit for you? That actually happened to me because it was a weird mix of a place where I kept my memories, but to be honest, the true reason why I was using it was as a productivity tool, because I just loved that I could personalize all the pages and keep track of like my progress towards certain goals and stuff. And after a while, I recognized that I actually need 2 journals. One to keep my memory and as a creative outlet, and another one that is only for productivity reasons. So it's really a huge help if you know what's the purpose of having this journal. Let's come to step number 2. Step number 2 is the why. We always have to ask ourselves why. So also in this case, why are you using a bullet journal format, and is it the right fit for you right now? Maybe you could use another thing that suits you better, like a digital planner or maybe an app. If you're only like looking at one direction, like bullet journal is the thing and I only want that, but you're not open for maybe other things you could use, you could maybe miss an opportunity to find a better fit for you. So you should ask yourself, why bullet journal format? So is it because it's like a creative outlet for you where you just have fun, decompress and just paint a little bit? Or is it because you love having your spreads personalized to your own needs? So for me, it was the second thing. I loved having my spreads only like personalized for me. I drew them out and I had everything I needed inside of it. And yeah, that would be the second step. What's your big why? Step number 3. If you decided, okay, bullet journaling is for me, I know why I'm doing it, I know that I want it, and I know what I'm using my bullet journal for. After you accomplished these other steps, we come to step number 3, and that's to simplify your bullet journal. So you guys, I know there are so many beautiful spreads that are very time consuming, and sometimes it depends on what you are using your bullet journal for first. So I love painting and I also love to do all these beautiful spreads, but I recognized for myself that I like to use these beautiful spreads more for like memory keepsake reasons, so I can use it as a little diary, and then I don't feel as pressured to like create a beautiful spread for the next week, because I also use bullet journals for productivity reasons. So after lots of years of try and error, I decided to have actually 2 bullet journals. One of them is my creative outlet that I use for memories and just like writing things down and making it beautiful. And the other one is only for productivity reasons, and it's not, I have to admit, it's not beautiful at all. It's just like very plain with only to-do lists, and yeah, that's what works for me. So it just like took the pressure off of me, and I could have one journal for like beautiful spreads. That's a journal that I also film and show you guys, and the other one is only for productivity reasons because it just took the pressure out for me. And yeah, that's what worked out for me. So ask yourself, what works out for you? How detailed or like pretty do your spreads have to be? Maybe you could use stickers and washi tape instead of like drawing for hours like beautiful spreads or stuff. So my advice would be, don't look at the other people. Ask yourself what's the right fit for you. Step number 4 is my hands down favorite step. It is to prep ahead. So I know there are busy times where we don't have the time, and sometimes if we, for example, use our bullet journal as a productivity tool and we know, okay, next month it needs to be ready, and we feel so pressured, like, oh my god, I have to finish it before the next month starts. I've been right there, but it was just a terrible feeling, and that's when I started to prep my bullet journal a little bit ahead. I even have a friend that starts her bullet journal 1 year ahead. So she preps her bullet journal for 2026 right now. So when she needs it, it is ready. So prepping ahead can be so much more relaxing because you don't have any time pressures and you can just like paint and draw as much as you like because you have the time. And now we're already on the last step. It's step number 5, building a ritual around your bullet journal. So if you separate a specific time, for example, Sunday mornings are my bullet journal mornings, you could create a whole ritual out of it. Light a candle, give yourself some me time, and just enjoy the process. So if you have a specific time carved out, there aren't any other things you need to do because you can dedicate your time just to do your bullet journal. And that's such a fun thing to do. So carve out some time that is like sacred. So that's my bullet journal time, and that makes life just so much easier. All right, these are my 5 tips, my 5 steps for using your bullet journal more frequently. I really hope that you could take some golden nuggets out of this video that may help you, and I hope that you liked this video. I'm so happy that you're here, and I can't thank you enough for that. Thank you for supporting me and my channel, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye!